right, here's my version of an improved Big Mac. First off, I'm going to make my own sauce. What you do is you start off with 1 cup of mayo, add about a 1/4 cup of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of sriracha, a tablespoon of lemon juice, a teaspoon of paprika, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, Worcester sauce, whatever, a teaspoon of hot sauce, salt and pepper, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, and a half a teaspoon of dried mustard. And then you just want to mix everything together and kind of let chill out in the fridge for at least a half an hour before you make these burgers. So then you just want to give this a little old stir with a spoon. Yes, a spoon is fine. Don't know what jackass said that a spoon is unacceptable. So give this a stir, let it hang out in the fridge for a half an hour. All right, be right back. Okay, and next thing different, I'm not using the 8-pound patties that McDonald's uses. I'm using 1/4-pound patties and season them with a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. And then just give these a couple of minutes each side to cook up, and then we'll be ready for the next step. Okay, we're just about ready to flip these patties. And because they've shrunk in size, we should be able to get that 4th patty over there on the griddle. So just give them a good flip. Again, I know there's this huge debate over flipping burgers once or several times. I don't care. Flip them as many damn times as you see fit. All right, let's get that last one on here. Okay, and through the magic of cooking show editing, the burgers are done. Last thing we got to do is add some cheese, and we're using the good shit, the old shit, the American cheese. I personally don't buy the ones that come in the little plastic wraps. Usually I get the deli-style American cheese, if that makes any difference. All right, well, let's let this melt up, and then we'll be able to assemble our Big Mac. Alrighty, let's start assembly. Little bit of that secret sauce on the bottom bun. And a little bit of lettuce. Just a little bit. One of those patties. The middle, I guess, piece of toast. I wasn't going to cut up a bun. I think that middle piece of bun is stupid. Other patty. Lettuce. Onions. And, of course, pickles. Like I said, I think the middle bun is dumb. Just get a piece of toast. And, of course, sauce in the top bun. And that's it. A McDonald's Big Mac. Improved. Done.